This is VIVO Y21S, and today I would like to show how you can clear app cache and data on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, well, not the Play Store, then enter the apps category. Next, you gotta open the full list of installed apps, find whatever app you would like to erase the data for, then go for the storage and cache, and at the storage page you can either exclusively clear cache, as you can see, or clear all user and app data that this app has, including cache, by going for the clear all data. And well, it failed apparently, so let me try it one more time. Yep, and now the user data was successfully cleared as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.